Cracking the Code, Acronyms and Initialisms Capitalization. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an important aspect of English grammar that's all about capitalization rules, and specifically, we'll focus on capitalizing acronyms and initialisms of proper nouns. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of when and how to use capital letters with these special forms of words. Before we dive into the capitalization rules, let's first clarify what acronyms and initialisms are. Acronyms are words formed from the initial letters of other words, and they are pronounced as new words. Examples include NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and radar, radio detection and ranging. Initialisms, on the other hand, are also formed from the initial letters of other words, but each letter is pronounced separately. Examples include CIA, Central Intelligence Agency, and FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. Now, let's discuss how to capitalize acronyms. Since acronyms are formed from the initial letters of words, they are typically capitalized in their entirety. For example, we write NASA, not NASA or NASA. This rule applies even when the acronym is derived from a proper noun. So, even though we write National Aeronautics and Space Administration with only the first letter of each word capitalized, when we turn it into an acronym, we capitalize every letter. NASA. Much like acronyms, initialisms also follow a full capitalization rule. Each letter in an initialism is capitalized, regardless of the capitalization in the original words. So, the Central Intelligence Agency becomes CIA, not CIA or CIA. And the Federal Bureau of Investigation turns into FBI, not FBI or FBI. While the rules for capitalizing acronyms and initialisms are quite straightforward, there are a few exceptions. Some acronyms and initialisms have become so common in everyday language that they are often written in lowercase. Examples include laser, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, and radar, radio detection and ranging. These are typically technical terms that have evolved into regular words. But remember, these are exceptions and not the norm. The majority of acronyms and initialisms should be fully capitalized. Well, there you have it. We've gone over the key rules for capitalizing acronyms and initialisms of proper nouns. As you can see, the rules are quite simple. Capitalize every letter. Just remember that there are a few exceptions where common usage has led to lowercase acronyms and initialisms. I hope this video has been helpful and clarified this part of English grammar for you. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.